So today I am starting to clean the systems preparatory to the next wave of plants. These systems have essentially been down for really almost a month or more because of the raccoon problem, and during that time they have grown a really wonderful crop of algae, which you can see as the greenish tinge in these solutions. So what I'm actually doing with this, I'm not throwing this down the sewer, that would be silly. What I'm doing with this is that I'm taking about 2.5 gallons into a 5-gallon bucket, and then I'm going out and topping that up with water and adding some bloom solution and putting it on my blooming type plants here. So this will be heresy for a lot of people. Once I top that bucket up with water, I'm using this good old Miracle Grow bloom booster food, and I'm putting it on all the blooming plants, like all of these roses, and this centerpiece here, and all these things around the edge. So we have a lot of flowers in our little yard here, and now a lot of food. Okay, so one thing interesting I found in adding hydroponic solution to the flower food is that it seems to me that with the micronutrients being added, you get a much more brilliant blossom. So that's a good effect.